Hi there. So in this video, we're going to be taking a quick look on how to use our templates and edit our email content. So here I click on templates. So these are like templates that I already have, but we're going to create a new one so that we'll just see how it's done and just have like a look and a feel of how exactly it works on the system. So I want to create a template. So let's create. So these are some of the structures that we have. So basically you can use some of these to create yours. You can create from blank or use some of these structures. First of all, I would always advise that it's best you name and organize your template so that whenever you want to use either one or any one for your campaigns, you will know exactly which one. So let's name this templates edits learn. That doesn't make any sense, but let's just use this. So I've named this. I can choose, let's say, these templates and then start design. Okay, so now this is the template that we chose, the structure that it has. So now it's really easy for us to just edit this. If you look at this, you can see there is logo here. You see, basically, so these are like blocks. These are editable blocks. You can duplicate, you see, but I don't want this. I can delete. So now this is logo. I can decide to put my logo here. So it comes here inside here. I can change the logo. Let me use this logo and upload. So yeah, this is it. You see, this header, I can edit this header. I can say anything. I can say, oh, welcome. It's relatively easy. I can change the header type, maybe H2. I don't want it to be H1. I can change the color of the text, whatever I want, the height, the text size. So you can format. It has a lot of formatting options. You can do all these things here. So that's basically it. When you want to edit a text, like this is a text block, I click on it. It comes here, and I can do any sort of edits that I want to do on the text. So that's it. Picture, the same thing. Come here, change image, put the image I want to put. That's just relatively easy, just drag and drop. So these are widgets. So widgets are like editable blocks that we can add. So um let's say I want to add an image. I'll just drag and put. So now I can now select any image that I want to put. Do you understand? From my system I can put it here. I don't want this. I can just edit and delete. So that is it. That is how to edit your blogs. For here, for your social media, you can just add links. So these are like custom built, so you can just add links to this. So let's say your Twitter, https, put your Twitter link, so that's when you send this out, they are actually like clickable links. Put your name or whatever. So that's it. You can also change the icon, choose any social media icon that you want to use. Another very important thing is okay, let's say I want to add like a city, like a button. So these are like I said, these are like widgets. These are stuff that you can use. So let's look for button. Okay, now yeah, this is button. So I want to add a city. I can just drag this. This is my button. Okay, let's call this get started now. Let's say you're trying to nudge people into maybe buying a product or subscribing to a product. Now if I click on this get started now, I can also put the URL. So you put the link of where you want them to go to when they click the button. So that's basically it. You can change the color. This is the background color, so I can change to anything I want. You see, it's easy. I can change the text color. I can do whatever I want. See the padding. You can see the padding for the button, the alignment and everything. So that's how to edit blogs on your template. It is relatively straightforward. You don't need to have any prior knowledge or any technical knowledge. um, and one thing I would always say, very very important, note this: once you are done designing your email, one thing you should do is to come and then you preview, because most of your customers or users would probably be using their mobile phones to view your email. So you want to be sure that it is responsive both on mobile and then on desktop. So if I preview this email, mobile view, you see, so we have like this very very nice feature where you can actually see what it looks like on mobile view. So you can see it, you can toggle between mobile and desktop. You see what it looks like on desktop. So that's it. And once you are done editing, you save and close, and your template is ready. And now whenever you want to start a campaign or send out a campaign, you can just pick out an existing template instead of building it from scratch. So thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you so much for being here to the end of the video. I hope this has been an impactful and knowledgeable lesson for you. Thank you so much.